Hello fam, how are you doing? Welcome once again to my channel. This is Evangel Family and Recipes. Today we are going to be making peppered fried fish. I know you're very conversant. You're so used to peppered chicken, but today we're going to be making peppered fried fish. So I want you to join me on this journey as we make this delicious recipe. Yeah, we have actually added most of the condiments or ingredients we're going to be using for this particular recipe. So all we need to do is just wrap it up in our plastic seal and then allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now we have marinated our fish for about 45 minutes and we are about to cook. Definitely it is going to be very, very spicy. If you don't like any food that is very spicy or peppery, please, you might avoid adding so much pepper. And then after cooking, we are going to be frying. It tastes different. It is very delicious. It is a special way of making your fish, and you can present it to your visitor or anybody, and the person will definitely thank you. Let's continue with this particular recipe. Yeah, for us to get the best out of this fried fish, it shouldn't be so dry, and it shouldn't be that wet. At least you fry it. Once it's a little brown, then you pull them out of the oil. And then we are going to be going into the next phase or the next stage of this particular recipe. I mean, it's an interesting one. I don't think people actually do this, but I thought about it and I decided to record it. Believe me, it is going to be the best recipe you ever have in this 2021. Believe me, I'm serious about it. I am done frying, and this is the better part of the whole recipe, the peppered parts. In my frying pot, I have red chili with red bell and some other spices blended together. So I'm going to be adding the fried fish into these blended ingredients. And then remember, I fried it a little, to a kind of reduce the fresh taste that comes from your red bell or your red chili. So I'm going to be turning the fried fish into this blended sauce. If you call it sauce, you're very, very right. So I'm going to be stirring it inside this particular sauce, and it's going to give it the most delicious aroma and the best taste you can ever get anywhere. And that is why it's called peppered fried fish. Yeah, family, I'm done with this prepared fried fish. What do you think? Please comment, like, share, and subscribe.